Let's move on to some hard drive problems here. So guys, it's often helpful to know what hard drives are connected to a system and what name was given them in the Linux directory. So this info allows us to mount the hard drive and manipulate it. So we talked about that with the fdisk-l command, So the answer lies within the favorite of troubleshooters, which is the live CD. Okay, so the live CD, if the device is recognized when booting from the live CD, we can run the ls pci-k to see what module it uses. Okay, guys, we don't have the live CD, right? We created it our lab from the .iso image, so we can't do this command here. Okay, but if we did have a live CD, we could go back to our installed system and try to load it with the below command after we find out what the hard drive is, right? We could do a mod probe -v and a module name, and we can redo that hard drive there and fix any problems going on there. Let's also talk about restoring shared libraries. So you can find which libraries that were deleted by using the command dpackage-query space -- search space -usr /lib/splat libpro splat or star. Okay, so by using the stars like this, guys, this means search for everything that begins and ends with this word. Okay, we could then reinstall them by calling sudo space apt / -get space install space -- reinstall space, and then whatever libraries we found were missing here. So we would have to run this command for each of the missing libraries. Okay.